Hello kids. Yesterday we have completed our chapter multiplication. Yesterday what we have done? Yesterday we have done word problems. Okay? Now today we will do some worksheets based on multiplication, and before moving toward those worksheets, first we will solve some question based on 2-digit and 3-digit numbers of multiplication. Okay, so let us start. Okay, kids, so today before moving toward worksheet, let us do some question. I am revising these question so that you can understand the concept in a far better way. So first of all, tell me, what is multiplication? Tell me kids, what is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. Okay? Multiplication is repeated addition. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So here I am adding 2 multiples time, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So this is repeated addition. Also I can write this as 2 into 4. Answer will be 8. 8. So multiplication is what? Multiplication is repeated addition. Okay? Now, second thing. Let us revise properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication. So, which is the first property of multiplication? First properties of multiplication is order property. Order property states that even if we change the order of the given number, our answer will remain same. That means if I have to multiply 14 into 2 or 2 into 14, I'll get the same answer. 14 to the 28 and 2 14 the 28. That means changing the order of the numbers. Changing the order of the number will not bring any change in the answer. Okay? Now next thing is multiplication of a given number with 1. Multiplication of a given number with 1. So we have read this, that whenever we multiply a given number with 1, we'll get the answer as the number itself. We'll get the answer as number itself. Whenever we will multiply a given number with 1, we will get the answer as number itself. Okay? Great. That means 285 multiplying by 1 will get 285. Okay? Multiplying a number with 1 will give the answer as the number itself. We'll get the answer as number itself. Okay? Now next is distributive property or regrouping property. That means 2 into 3 into 4. So here we can multiply these numbers in any order. First we can multiply 2 into 3, or we can multiply 3 into 4 first, and whatever the answer we will get, we will multiply with 2. We will get the same answer. Okay. So these are the properties of multiplication. We have also read in this chapter about multiplication of a given number with 10, 100 and 1000, and multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. That means we have read that if we have to multiply a given number, say 45 with 100, what we will do? We will write 45 and we will add these two 0 in the right side of the number. So our answer will be 4500. Our answer will be 4500. Okay. Great. Now let us move toward 2-digit multiplication. So 24 multiply with 12. Here we have to multiply 24 with 12. Let us see what we will get if we multiply 24 with 12. If we multiply 24 with 12, what we will do? We will start from ones place. We will start from ones. That means first we will multiply 2 with 4. First we will multiply 2 with 4. Okay. How much you will get if you multiply 2 with 4? 2 multiplying with 4 we will get 8. Then we will move toward tens place. So 2 twos are what we will get? We will get 4. 2 twos are we will get 4. Now below 8 we will put a cross sign. Below 8 we will put a cross sign. Now we will start with 1. 4 ones are 4. 2 ones are 2. Now add these number. So 8, 4 plus 4, 8 and 2 will be 2. So our answer will be 288. Our answer will be 288. Now 123. Now we are moving toward 3-digit multiplication. Here we are going to do 3-digit multiplication. 123. Multiply this number with 12. This is a very easy question. Solve this question yourself. Tell me the answer. Do this question. Completed? Okay, let us start. Now 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Okay, this much you have done. What you have done next? Put a cross below 6. Now 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2 and 1 ones are 1. Now add these number. 6 plus cross will give us 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 will be 1. So our answer is 1476. I hope you all have got the same answer. Check your answer whether you have got the same answer or not. Okay. Now I'm going to give one question to you all. You will solve this question. 248 multiply 36. Multiply by 36. Solve this question. Completed? Okay, let us start. So we will start with 6. Now we have to multiply 6 with 8. So 6 8s are 48. We'll write 8 here and we'll put a carry 4 here at the top. Now 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4, 28. We'll write 2 here at the top. Now 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So 248 multiplied with 6, we have got 1488. Below 8, put a cross. Now 3 8s are 24. Put 2 here. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Put 1 here. 3 2s are 6, 1, 7. Add these number. Okay. Add this number. How much we will get? 8. 8 plus 4, 12. For 12 we will write 2. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 1 9. 7 1 8. So our answer will be 8928. 8928. Okay. Good. Okay. So here we have revised almost all the question. Now let us move toward our worksheet. Okay. So in this worksheet, some question will be done by you and some question I'll do. So the very first question. Let us read the heading. How many times? Okay. How many times? That means multiplication. We have to do multiplication here. Okay. Now, first question. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Now, 7 plus 7 plus, so what is this? This is repeated addition. Now, how many, which number is repeating itself? 7 is repeating itself. And how many times? 4 times. So 7 4s are 28. Okay. 7 4s are 28. Okay. Now, question number 2. 3 multiply with what will give us 15? Okay, now tell me kids. 3 multiply with which number will give us 15? Tell me which number you will multiply in 3 to get 15. How many times 15 comes in 3 in table of 3? Good. 5s are 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3 states that 8 into 20 equal to 8 into 2 into what? Okay. So kids, we have done this question while we were doing multiplication of a number with multiple of 10, 100 or 1000. Now as you can see, 20 is a multiple of 10. Okay, let us do. So our question is 8 into 20 is equal to 8 into 2 into what? Okay, so now kids, 8 into 20. Now we can break 20 in two parts, है ना? We can break 20 in two parts. 8 into 2 and 2 into 10. Okay, so that means we have to multiply 10. We will multiply 10 here. 8 into 20, that means 8 into 2 into 10. Okay, now next question. Next question is 6 into 7 is equal to 40 plus 2. 6 into 7 equal to 40 plus how much? Okay, 6 into 7 equal to 40 plus how much? A very easy question. So kids, 6 sevens are, tell me, 6 sevens are, 6 sevens are 42. Okay, now how much you will add in 40 to get 42? How much you will add in 40 to get 42? 2. So 42 is equal to 42. That means 6 7 जा 42. 6 के टेबल में 7 टाइम्स में क्या आता है? 42 आता है. तो okay, let us try to understand this question one more time. 6 into 7 equal to 40 plus how much? क्वेश्चन था कि 6 में 7 को मल्टीप्लाई करने पे कितना आता है? 42. नाउ पूछा है 40 में हम कितना ऐड करेंगे कि हमारा आंसर 42 हो जाएगा? We will add 2. Easy question है ना? So 40 plus 2. Okay? Okay. So our next question. Next question says that 5 into 8 plus 9 into 5 equal to how many tens plus how many ones? 5 into 8 plus 9 into 5 equal to how many tens and how many ones? Okay, let us do. So do this question yourself first. Okay, so kids, 5 into 8. 5 into 8 will give us 40. And 9 into 5 will give us 9 fives are 45. Now add 40 and 45. 5, 8. We have got 85 as our answer. We have got 85. Now in 85, how many tens are there and how many ones? In 85, we are having 8 tens and 5 ones. 8 tens and 5 ones. Okay? Okay now. Now question number 6. Observe the diagram and write the multiplication fact. Okay? So basically this question number 6, we can do it in many form. We will do it in repeated addition form. Okay? Now how many beads are there? How many dots or how many beads are there? Count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? There are 6. So let us consider them in the group of 2. So in repeated addition fact, we can write them as 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means 2 into 3 is equal to 2 into 3 will give us 6. 2 into 3 will give us 6. Okay. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Adding 9 8 times give us, okay, let us do this question. Adding 9 8 times. Adding 9 8 times. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to 8, 9, 8 times. So this is repeated addition. We can also write it as 9 into 8. So 9 into 8 will give us 9 into 8 will give us 9 8s 72. 72. Now question number 8. A watch has 3 hands. How many hands are there in 10 watches? A watch has 3 hands. How many hands are there in 10 watches? So this we have revised in our previous video. While we were doing word problem, that 1 का दिया है, many का पूछा है. What we have to do? 1 का दिया है, many का पूछा है. क्या करना है हमें? Yes, we have to multiply. So a watch has 3 hands. How many hands will be there in 10 watches? So 3 into 10. 3 tens are 30. Okay, so this is our answer. Now, question number 9. One car has 4 wheels. How many wheels are there in 8 cars? Do this question yourself. One car has 4 wheels. How many wheels are there in 8 cars? Okay. So 1 कार का दिया है, 1 कार में कितने व्हील्स होते हैं उतने दिए हैं, 8 कार्स का पूछा है. So what we have to do here? Multiply. 4 8s are 32. So our answer will be 32. Now question number 10. Question number 10, 3. Okay. 3 plus 7 multiply with 3. So first we will solve the bracket. 3 plus 7 will give us 3 plus 7 will give us 10, and we have to multiply 10 in 3. How much we will get? 10 3s are 30. We will get 30. Now question number 11. Do question number 11 yourself. Do question number 11 yourself. So 15 ones are 15 and 15 twos are 30. Okay. Now question number 12. 12 sets of 5. Now read this question carefully. 12 sets of 5 plus 12 equal to how much? First we will find that, and then 12 sets of 5 plus 12 equal to dash into 9. Okay. So first we have to find out 12 sets of 5. That means 12 into 5. 12 5s are 12 5s are 60, and then 60 plus 12. 60 plus 12 will be 72. Okay. So 12 sets of 5 plus 12 gives us 72. Now how much you will multiply in 9 to get 72? 9 के टेबल में कितनी बार में 72 आता है? 9 8s are 72. Okay. Okay. Now question number 13 you will do yourself. 5 times 4 is dash or 5 into 4. Do this question yourself. This is a very easy question. Let us do question number 14. So question number 14 says 8 tens plus 4 ones. 8 tens plus 4 ones. 8 tens means 8 tens means 80. 4 ones means 4. That means 84. So 12. So now 12 के टेबल में कितना मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे that we will get 84? Tell me the number. 12 के टेबल में कितना मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे that we will get 84? 12 7 जा 84. 12 7 जा 84. Okay. Now question number 15. Now question number 15 says dash multiply 9 will give us 36. Tell me kids, 9 के टेबल में 36 कितनी बार में आता है? 4 times. 9 fours are 36. Okay. So kids, today we have done a worksheet based on multiplication. Okay. Tomorrow we will do one more worksheet based on the same.